गरीब साध साध सब नेक हैं, आप अपनी ठोरी। जो सतलोक ले जावेंगे वो साधु कोई और। बोलो सतगुरुदेव की जय। बंदी छोड़ कबीर परमेश्वर जी की जय। बंदी छोड़ गरीबदास जी महाराज जी की जय। स्वामी रामदेवानंद जी गुरु महाराज जी की जय।
Supreme God, complete Brahm, creator of the entire universe, Lord of the lineage Kabir Dev, Kabir Sahib Ji, come from his abode immortal world Satlok to provide knowledge about himself. This Kabir Dev, Kabir God, is the same who played the role of a weaver in Banaras, Kashi city for 120 years on this earth. He went back in whole body. He had come in the whole body only. Pious souls, God came and gave us knowledge that we are trapped in the web of Kal. Now, pious souls, when we are in the shelter of the complete God, Satpurush Kabir Dev Ji, and chant this Satnam mantra after receiving it from complete saint, then the bad account is closed. How does it happen? Like someone has got a license, driving license, driver's certificate, and he is going through road or is going anywhere on road and an accident happens with him. He is acquitted 90%. As he has not committed the accident intentionally because he is a trained man, he has a license, and if in the accident, if some damage happens due to some reason, then he is not guilty in that. There may be other reasons. The brake might have failed, steering might have failed, accident may also happen due to the fault of some other person. That licensed person is not guilty in that accident. And the one who does not have a license and is driving a vehicle, and if an accident happens with him, first the officers check that do you have a license? If there is no license, then directly he gets punishment. He has no protection. Similarly, until you have not made the license, you are doing worship, means you have not made a guru. Then whatever practices you are doing, good and bad deeds, are being accounted because by not having a license. If you are going for some auspicious work and the animal violence that happens along the path under your feet, you will have to bear that because you do not have a license. You might say that we do have a license because we are following a guru, like someone has taken initiation from Radha Swami, someone is initiated from Sacha Sauda Dera Sirsa, someone is initiated from Brahma Kumari, someone is associated with some other saint or sect. They are the ones who make fake driving licenses. They are not authorized, are not saints. Now, pious souls, this point will make you uneasy that they are fake gurus. This will be your ignorance because of which you feel that this saint is telling everyone to be fake. Fake and real will not be based on what I say. Their signs, their knowledge will tell whether they are real or fake. And this servant has told traits of all of them that they are not saints. Those who have taken initiation from them have an unauthorized license. And when you leave this world and you will not have any protection, safety by taking mantras from these gurus. It would be too late at that time. There you will get nothing except repentance and crying. The objective of this servant is not to criticize or comment on anyone, but God has given this servant the service to tell the truth and facts so that the pious souls can become alert and come back from those fake gurus and get their true license prepared and get their protection and achieve success in this lifelong journey. Radha Swami Panth has trapped the greatest number of souls. This is the sect of Kal, because this sect has started without a guru. Shri Shiv Dayal Ji from Agra, this has been written in their biography that Swamiji had no guru. And in the nectar speech of God in Sachidanand Ghan Brahm speech, and all the saints who have found God have made it clear in their nectar speech that
गुरु बिन माला फेरते, गुरु बिन देते दान, गुरु बिन दोनों निष्फल हैं, चाहे पूछो वेद पुराण.
the person who does not have a guru faces a lot of troubles later. What happens is that the previous good virtues of those virtuous souls are a lot, and those pious souls have attained the post of a guru. Someone has become a saint. This is the trap of Kal. They were virtuous souls in previous births. Their blessings have powers. Their way of speaking is so different from that of a common person, due to which, because of their previous virtues, earlier charged battery accomplishments of previous birth, they can put a lot of people behind them. But the end of both the followers as well as there is very painful. So the context is that the innocent devotees, naive souls that have taken initiation from fake gurus, and they are thinking that we have made a guru. No, guru should be complete. Knowledge should be true, and your faith should also be true, then it works. Here you will be given some parallel evidence, else you will not be able to understand that what is the purpose of this servant, why is he saying, and is it true? Shri Shiv Dayal Ji, who had been in Agra, they grace him with titles, nouns and similar names like Paramdhani and Param Pujya, the most respected, Purna Brahm, etc. And he had no guru. The Radha Swami Panth Beas started from Shiv Dayal Ji, which was started by Shri Jaimal Singh Ji. Shri Jaimal Singh Ji had no order of Shiv Dayal Ji that you start some new setup there. Because in 1878, Shri Shiv Dayal Ji died. In 1889, Shri Jaimal Singh Ji retired from the army, from the military. On his self-will, he started Dera in Vyas, but he had no order. First, Shiv Dayal Ji did not have any guru. He did not have true mantras. He did not have true spiritual knowledge, due to which he wasted his human life and incurred the sin of misguiding millions of innocent followers. Now, let me show a little glimpse of this Radha Swami Panth and the branches that have emerged from it. Pious souls, the purpose of this servant is that once a person printed fake notes and he was cheating the public, notes of 500 rupees, the government got to know, they put those fake and the real notes together and alerted the public that this is fake, this is its identity, this is original, this is its identity. Now for this work, this auspicious work, if someone says that the government is criticizing, the newspapers are criticizing, they are telling someone's notes as fake, then how much will be his intellect? Same to a child. Similarly, if someone calls the efforts of this servant as criticism, he can only be a child or of a child's wisdom or can be an alcoholic or could be of the same group who is printing fake notes. Anyone sensible will understand the difference between the fake and the real. He will be saved from his loss and will discard fake and will obtain the real notes. He will not be poor, will not incur loss.
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन। अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org। संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है। अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541।